Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm here on a few stepping stones through our rain garden, which has solved a problem we had with surface runoff. It's capturing that and has kept this area evenly moist most of the year, and we're able to grow a wide range of bog plants, including pitcher plants and one of our native bog orchids, Calopogon tuberosus, a white selection. It's typically sort of fuchsia purple pink, and then the little orange inflorescence of a milkwort, a polygala. Polygala means many milk. It was thought to increase milk flow in lactating animals. But the plant I wanted to feature in this today is this delightful little plant that has the common name of bog buttons. Younger people are probably clueless as to what a hat pin is, but this reminds me of a lady's hat pin. Put your hair up and pin it up with a great big long pin. The scientific name of bog buttons is Lachnocaulon, which I think means hairy stem. And this is Lachnocaulon anceps. I don't know if it's native to Wake County, but it is native to the next county over, Johnston County. Now, Johnston County is spelled with a T, but the locals don't pronounce the T. So for the longest time, I thought there must be two counties in North Carolina, Johnston County and Johnston County, but there's just the one with the T, and it has a silent T. But you see, the foliage is just an inch and a half tall tuft of narrow grass-like foliage, and these delightful little heads of white flowers for quite a few months in late spring and early summer. Really low maintenance plant. When it gets tidy, we'll just shear the flower heads off. It's largely evergreen. It's, the clumps get wider, but it's not an aggressive spreader. It's really good filler to cover the area in between pitcher plants and other larger bog plants. So bog buttons, Lachnocaulon anceps, wanting continuously moist soil, not standing water though. They're a bit like pitcher plants in that they want wet feet but dry ankles, and a good sunny location is best. Fun little plant to have if you have a bog garden or a big bog pot. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.